Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. Today I'm participating in an open collaboration, but I'll get to all of that in just a little while. I'm going to start off with a little repair. I have had these butterflies for quite some time and they've come apart, so I'm going to use a little hot glue to repair them. I also purchased these wooden butterflies at the Dollar Tree. As a matter of fact, all the supplies I'm using today are from the Dollar Tree. Then I'm gonna come in with some gold and silver metallic spray paints. Once the paint has dried, I come in with a little Mod Podge and glitter to accent all of my butterflies. After allowing the glue and glitter to dry, I come back in with another layer of Mod Podge to seal it. And there we are, DIY completed. Today I'm participating in the Butterfly Kisses and Ladybug Hugs Open Collab, hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, and Crafty Hens. Links to all of their channels will be in my description box below. Now moving on to DIY number 2. I found these Easter eggs and I was going to use the top and the bottom, but I decided to just use the top. So after giving it a coat of Mod Podge, I am coming in with 2 coats of red paint. And then I'm coming in with some red glitter left over from Christmas to give it that sparkle and shine. Once all of my glitter and glue has dried thoroughly, I'm coming back in with some black paint and a small detail brush. I'm using my ladybug vacuum as my template so I get it just right. I draw a semicircle in the front and color that in. Then I draw a line down the middle and come back in with my cute little ladybug spots. I'm using the antenna from my next DIY to put on top of my ladybug. And there we have it, DIY completed. If you've watched any of my DIY videos before, you know I love a simple, quick, and easy DIY. So moving on to our next project, I also picked up this kids ladybug headband. So I removed both of the ears and then I slit them down the side. Using some batting that I had on hand, I give the ladybug ears just a little bit more stuffing, and then I glue them back together. Once I've done that, I pinch the front of it together to give it more of a ladybug shape and come back in with some more of my white push pins for eyes. Using another piece of that antenna, the black pipe cleaner, I make little antenna for our baby ladybugs. And there we are, another DIY completed. Now, if you haven't already done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, quick, and easy. Simply click on that subscribe button and baby, hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. For my fifth and final project, I picked up this beautiful silver frame. I also picked up some butterfly mirrored wall hanging stickers. After opening up my frame, I took the paper that was inside and turned it around so the white side was facing out. And then I simply applied my cute little butterfly stickers to the glass. Once everything was applied, I removed the protective film, and there we have it. Fifth and final DIY completed. I styled all of my DIYs on this wood and wrought iron tiered tray I got from Home Goods and added some red florals in just for an accent. And I think they all came out great. Let me know what you think in those comments. Please make sure to stop by our host channels and show them some love, and visit the playlist to see what all of these talented creators have done. I thank you so much for watching today, and I hope these DIYs give you inspiration. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.